Hello, everyone. Welcome to IELTS Energy TV. I am your erstwhile host. That's a good word. I'm your host, as always, Jessica Beck. And today we're going to learn how to use the phrase, far be it from me. Now, this is super native, super high level, quite formal, and it would be fantastic for speaking part 3. But first of all, I want to say congratulations to our 3 Keys student, Marina. She raised her writing score by a whole band point using our system of strategies. So guys, if you want access to the same system that has helped thousands of students get the scores they need, go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. All right, let's get to it. So I love this phrase. I used this yesterday with a friend and I thought, oh, this would be great on IELTS. Okay, so it's really interesting, you guys. We use this phrase, far be it from me, to introduce the fact that we are going to share an opinion or idea or piece of advice that perhaps we shouldn't. So we use this to introduce something, usually advice, that's like, maybe it's not appropriate, maybe it's not my place, I'm not an expert, but I am going to tell you what I think anyway. So far be it for me to do or say something, and then you say it anyway. I know it's complicated, but I'll give you some examples. Okay, I'm glancing at my notes because I wrote out like big, awesome examples for you guys. Okay, so in speaking part 3, if you're asked, should young people start a family right after university? I think I mentioned this question recently in a video as well. Okay, you could say, far be it from me to tell people what they must do with their lives, but I do think that most people in their early 20s are not mature enough to settle down. Okay, guys, again, I'm going to type out these example sentences below this video, so learn from these structures. All right, here's one more example. In speaking part 3, if the examiner says, do you think there should be laws against unhealthy food? This could totally be a question, you guys. All right, this is so good. Here is how you could answer using today's phrase. You could say, far be it from me to give nutritional advice. Lord knows I dig into fast food once in a while, but I do think there are too many who abuse the availability of unhealthy food. So there should be laws to keep this behavior in check. All right, so my nose itches. 2 other phrases that are awesome here. So I said, Lord knows I dig into fast food once in a while. So Lord knows is just like, I'll admit this is true, right? And it's not even like a religious thing anymore. People just say this, okay? And then the last phrase, keep something in check, keep behavior in check, is to limit that behavior in some way. Awesome vocabulary today, you guys. So please comment on this video, use today's vocabulary. Also, you can ask me an IELTS question and perhaps I'll do a video about your question in the future. Guys, if you found today's vocab and structures helpful, please share this video on social media so we can help more people pass the IELTS exam. That is why we're here. And don't forget, put this in your calendars, November 13th, I am live on YouTube streaming. So write this down, guys. November 13th, 9 a.m. Portland, Oregon time. That's Pacific Standard Time. Come live. There will be special offers for people who do so. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are enjoying your IELTS studies, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.